I got my newest Azure haul, and last month I told you that we got the ketchup, and I got the ketchup on sale, so I went ahead and added it to my next order because we really liked the ketchup and it was a good sale. And Azure ketchup is really good. I'm one of those kids that ate ketchup, and I would eat, no lie, I'd say, can I have like 10 packets of ketchup? And I'd ask for more. So we got not 10, we've got 9 things of ketchup. I got the 9 count option, and we will love this. And we already are down to in less than, I want to say it was like 2.5 weeks so far. So we really liked this. We used to like Aldi ketchup, and what was weird is we had it in the fridge, and then we're like, let's try the Azure ketchup. And we tried the Azure ketchup with the Azure fries, and it was so good. And then we tried the Aldi again, and the Aldi tastes like kind of canned. I don't know how to explain why it tasted like that, and we used to like it, but now I only like Azure ketchup, so now I'm stuck if they don't make ketchup, because we like the Azure ketchup a lot, so I bought 9. I wish I bought more, but I think we'll be okay with pricing another time. This is good until the 2027 year of August 28th, 2027, so I could have bought more. Darn it. But that's okay. Let's see what else we got. Whenever we first come home, I right away process all of our frozen stuff, and I am glad I did it. Usually it's a little bit more frozen, and this time around, I don't know what happened, but everything was a little defrosted even when I got it in the car. I was kind of concerned, so we rushed right home. One time we went, I was able to put it in freezer bags and didn't have too much of a concern, but this time a lot of things were a little defrosted just getting it right off the truck. So the broccoli was a little defrosted, and then my snowpack diced potatoes were a little clumpy, so I wanted to make sure that they weren't freezer burned. They weren't too bad, but again, they weren't easy to break up like my Azure chopped diced potatoes. These were delicious. We still enjoyed them, and that is because we couldn't enjoy our Azure diced potatoes, unfortunately. The strawberries were very defrosted. They weren't to the point of warm, but they were defrosted enough that I had to take them out and put them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and then refreeze, and they were so defrosted that you could see how wet they are, but they are so sweet. They are the sweetest frozen strawberries that I've ever tasted from anywhere. Like, I've bought from a bunch of different places, and I even will freeze from my local farm. They are sweeter than that. These are delicious. Now, here is the diced potatoes. I was so excited because we bought 2 5-pound containers, or maybe it was 4-pound bags, and they were delicious. So here I am breaking it apart. They break apart beautifully, but then I go and I'm like, something doesn't smell right. And you'll see me put my face close, and unfortunately they didn't smell right. So I did call Azure. It smells like they were kind of probably going bad before they were frozen. Azure did refund me for those diced potatoes, and we did dispose of them because I just didn't feel comfortable using them. They looked great, but when you squoze them too, they smelled awful. The basmati rice I forgot to open while I was filming, and that also looked great. So I just wanted to show you that as well. We absolutely love everything we've got in this haul, and I can't wait for next month because it's gonna be a big month, stocking up again on some favorites and trying some new things as well. One thing I bought that didn't ship was some lemon, and I had wanted to make a lot of things with that lemon, so I'm kind of sad, but I put it in my next order, so that's fine. I have it in my next 2 orders in case. We did get our lime though, so the lemon didn't ship, but the lime did, and I'll be using that for recipes. I'm gonna try freezing some in some super cubes too. Then we also got onions because they looked so great last time. I went ahead and got some red onions. They look great. I'll put them right up here. I also got a ton more of the yellow onions. They look great. We finished our yellow onions already, so I went ahead and got the double package. So those look great. I got a lot of onion there. These still smell. I got my order 2 days ago, and I let everything sit because I had a little bit of a issue with the diced potatoes, and it got me really upset. So I kind of had to regulate my emotions, and it's 2 days later. These smell awful. I'll be calling Azure. They did refund me for my diced potatoes though, so I'll talk to you about that. Speaking of potatoes, hopefully these are good. We got their organic potato chips. I do wish these used avocado oil or a healthier oil, but I really wanted to give them a try. They use safflower or sunflower oil. Not a huge fan of that, but again, they're organic, whereas we get the bolder ones and they're not organic. Got some tea filters. Got some household gloves because I use gloves a lot and I wanted something more for cleaning so I don't have to like toss them. I do use disposable gloves for cooking. I got my lids that I didn't get last month for my containers that I bought because they sold out. I bought some, let's get this up, basmati. I got some basmati rice. We love basmati rice. I'm really upset about the yellow potatoes, darn man. And then I got a few things of coffee filters. Surprised they're not smushed. Gosh, my daughter loves these and I hope she loves them. Almonds with their yogurt covered and they're really good. I get them at Mom's Market and I'm like, let me try them from Azure. So we'll see how those taste. I also stocked up on some laundry detergent. I bought that last month, loved it. So when I used it, I used the laundry booster with it and I also got one of the oxygen bleach one. I'm excited to try that too, but I really liked the hard water one, the hard water treatment, and the regular laundry detergent, which is the Charlie's brand. I bought a bunch so that we should be set for at least a year, if not more. And then our last box, oh, actually not last box. I also bought, oh my gosh. I bought a box of Cosmic Crisp again, because we love our Cosmic Crisp apples. My gosh, my counter is getting overfilled here, but we've got lots of goodies. I've heard infamous things about the bay leaves, so I got the smallest package and my gosh, I'm glad I got the small package. Some people have purchased the 1 pound and this will last me a while. I'll put that right there. Wait, maybe we'll put it over here. And then I bought some hibiscus flower. I want to try making my own hibiscus tea. Try to like cut down on coffee. We'll see. I don't know if that's possible. Trying the tomato powder. I heard a lot of people use this instead of canned tomato sauce. So I'm anxious to see how that works. Maybe in like some kind of beef stews, things like that, or things where like I use a little bit of tomato sauce. I like to put tomato sauce in my chicken soup. So we'll see. My chicken and rice soup specifically. We've gotten some beautiful, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is ginger and it's organic ginger. I'm gonna freeze a lot of this and it's really easy to peel when you freeze it, or you can grate it and then freeze it, which is good. I love ginger, especially like in stir fries and things, but it's also really good in taste. And then I bought 3 bags of soft white wheat. I'm gonna open all 3 of them and just hope they're good. I wanted to buy a 25-pound bag, but I was really nervous because a lot of people were saying they have like inconsistencies with Azure, so I haven't been able to purchase that big of a bag. And then I also bought a bag of spelt. Oh, got a lot of stuff going on here. Oh, the household gloves fell. I also bought Cosmic Crisp again. I want to say that the previous ones have looked much better. These are okay, but I do need to cut some spots off of them. Thank gosh. Looks good, smells good. Yeah. But again, I'm glad I went with 5 pounds because I don't want to sift through a lot. And if it was a big 25-pound bag of a lot of dirt and stuff, I didn't want that. We have 1, 2, 3 twigs in here that I see so far. That's really it. I mean, that is pretty great. Maybe I'll put 2 bags in the freezer. I just don't have a lot of freezer space. This looks perfect. My goodness. It's so beautiful. And I bought it somewhere else. I'm not gonna name it, but I bought it somewhere else. And unfortunately, it was just really dried out looking. It didn't look as plump and perfect as this one does. The first time was the cleanest I had it. This has a few twigs, but I'm saying like there's like 3 twigs that I can visibly see in here. There is not a lot in here. The hard white wheat, I think it was it the hard white? Yeah, the hard white wheat that I got on my first order was pretty pretty dirty, so they refunded that. And then I haven't had issues with any other grain from them. Beautiful. And I really, like when I open the bag, I can't really even see any debris in there either, and it's so dark in there. Any more containers. I don't know if I want to put all of them in containers though, so I'll just peek inside the next one. I'm gonna put the rest of this one in the freezer, and then I can freeze it and use it when I need. I don't know if I want to freeze. I haven't froze my grain yet. I worry about like defrosting and things like that and moisture. That looks great. Like beautiful, beautiful grain. That's exactly what I want. So I know people share a lot of mixed things, and I do believe that they get that. But it's just a chance you take, and this looks beautiful, and I'm so glad it looks beautiful. I'm just glad, I'm really glad. What am I doing wrong? Let's try this side. I said pull the string. I don't have a grip. What is that? Am I broken? Oh my goodness, I'm broken. Got it? No, that's my first time getting spelt. I want to get iron corn too, but that's sold out. Wow, it looks perfect. Again, you can't see in there, so I'll put it into the container. You'll see it come out. Dear. Oh dear, what did I do today? It's open a little bit wider than usual. Okay. Well, I spilt a little bit of spelt. All right, that is beautiful. I've never used spelt before, so I'm excited to give that a try. What is that though? So there's one thing I found so far. A little big piece of something, but that's completely easy to remove, so that's gone. And I don't really see anything in there. It's clean. But oh my gosh, my counter is not clean. Beautiful. I don't even see any twigs. Beautiful grain, except for what I did with the mess here. That's not so beautiful. Let's open this soft white wheat just to make sure. I like to open everything before the 7 days are up. You have 7 days to call Azure if you have any issues with anything. 3 out of 3, beautiful. I have not had an issue with soft white wheat, so I'm very glad to say that. I didn't have an issue with the hard red, not with the spelt, and not with the rye, so yay. You can see inside. Look how beautiful that is. I'm not gonna dump this one out, but there is really nothing in there. I'm very, very happy with this grain. So I did get spelt on the floor. I gotta clean all that up. I'm gonna put all this stuff away. I do wanna try these chips with you guys though. This is gonna be loud, so I'll cut this off. Oh dear. It's one of those that you can't open. Oh, I gotta cut it. So aside from just my yellow potatoes and my frozen diced potatoes, everything was amazing. They smell amazing. I will say I've been a little nervous with the potato smells now. Let's give this a try. That's too big of a chip. These are really good. It almost tastes like they're homemade. Like compared to like what you get in the store, these are nice. And these are nice sized chips. They're not like smushed at all. I'm really impressed. Wow. I thought they were gonna be smushed. Anyway. Not all chips are this good. That's for real. That's not even fake. A higher standard for healthy food and farming. Not all chips are this good. What's crispy and healthy and salty all over. These are so good. These are really good. I will be buying them again. I was a little nervous because the price and also the shipping, but they are beautiful big chips. And they're really good. I love that salt. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Take care and God bless you, friends. Bye.